If you guys could only smell what we smell. Mama's got what is it, blueberry cobbler? Yeah, blueberry cobbler in the oven. I sort of messed it up, so we'll see how it goes with it. I took it out a little too early, and we were out doing haircuts. But the real reason for the video, but the whole thing is it smells awesome in here. Got some fresh banana bread, too. So, yeah, that's why I'm 200 pounds and can't shake it. But the real thing is, right now, we got our Oral-B Advantage 1500. They had a sale at Sam's Clubs. We needed some new toothbrushes. It's been a little bit. So the boss went on there and found some good deals. And I'll try to have a link. I don't know if it'll be on sale still or not, but we got a link. We got ours from Sam's Club, shipped to the house. And it's been a couple weeks with the COVID crap getting here, so we're sort of itching to get it. But yeah, we'll do an unboxing here. And this is what we got. We got this Oral-B ProAdvantage 1500. We didn't get the ones with the Bluetooth because all we're doing is brushing our teeth. Put it down and try to open the box. So that's what the box is here. Got our sorry guys. Got your instruction manual. It talks about care. Oh, look at that, to get the batteries out. So I could check the batteries on the old ones and stuff too, but I'm not really worried about that right now. I haven't had the instructions for a while on those. So here's our brushes. Couple settings. And yeah, we had some Oral-B's, the other ones and stuff, so they worked out really, really well. So I'm happy with these and stuff. And yeah, they gave you, this box gives you one brush, one new head, which sort of sinks. You got two brushes and one head. But got some carrying cases, so if you go out of town, little travel cases. Looks like it's got, so when you rinse it off, looks like it's got some water drains on the bottom of it. And let's get in this cool box. They both got charging bays. Oh, that's nice. Probably only use one bay for right now, keep the other one as a backup. But yep, so I got two chargers. One charger. And then charger number 2. So that's pretty sweet in there. Looks really nice. So yeah, we're excited. But yeah, so again, this is the Oral-B ProAdvantage 1500, and that's our unboxing right there. So yeah, try it out. Like I said, we liked our other Oral-B's, and they worked out really well. So thanks, guys. Everybody have a good night. And again, if you could smell the smells that we smell, thanks, everybody. Stay safe.